In this video, we're going to talk about the resin screens. Pretty much I have the resin screens already set up. The large green one that goes over the surface, kind of like a divider between the tellers. And then we have smaller ones that are going to go on the front end, more of a decorative piece. The smaller ones come in bags, marked left and right, coincide with the return left and right. Worst come to worst, keep an eye on the triangle pattern. You want triangle pattern facing up for the most part. So your main divider screen is going to slide into place. It's pretty much going to be centered right on the seam between your two transaction tops. At the bottom, we have a kick rail with some glides. Run the glides down to the floor. Once you get this in place and you've squared it up, make sure it's squared and leveled. Take a square or level, put it in place, make sure you get a nice reveal, lower your glides just to tighten it up. From there, you're going to take some number 6 screws and you're going to run these channels into the resin. There's pre-drilled holes in the resin, and into the work surface. You're going to have to make sure you square measure off the front of the transaction counter to get your right dimension to be square coming out from the divider resin. Important to note as well, there's 2 different channels. There's a channel, one's obviously longer than the other. Resin screen, work surface. Also, the resin screen has an oval hole in it for a bit of adjustment. So we'll go into place, work surface, shorter bracket, a circular hole, would mount down as well. So it'll kind of look like this. Once you've got the 2 in place, slide your resin screen down and in. That's how this will go together. Then we'll do the same bit of mounting I'll go over in another video for the lower screen.